Hey, I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery, and today we're going to learn how to make a Christmas wreath. Well, that can feel a little bit overwhelming, so what I've done is I've taken what we call a premade. So this has already been put together. I have a grapevine, my greenery, a few little pine cones, and then I love this nest with my little cardinal. But I want to add just a little bit to it to look a little more Christmassy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take actual greenery and I'm going to go in, I'm going to use my glue pen, I'm going to stick that in, make sure it's covered real well, and then I'm going to add 3 pieces of it around to the wreath. And I'm just going to stick it in and fluff it out, pull some of the berries through, because we want it to seem like it came that way. So we're going to run some of this around. Again, we're going to stick it into our glue pan. Put that down into the grapevine. I'm going to pull up my pine cones and my berries. One more down below, so I've, like our odd numbers, make sure it's balanced around the wreath. Then, at this point, you can be finished. We've added a little bit more Christmas touch to it, or I like ribbon. So buffalo check is the hot thing this year, and so I'm going to go in and add a little bit of ribbon throughout my wreath. I don't want to just add completely around, so I'm going to cut pieces, and we're going to do them from my hand up to my elbow. And I'm going to do these where I twist the ribbon. So I'm going to come here and pinch a little bit, take a little bit of wire, and I'm going to wrap that around the ribbon. Then I'm going to come onto the wreath, wrap that around, and then I want to twist it. And so I'm going to put another piece of little wire. And since this is grapevine and a little bit more challenging with all of this stuff to get around it, I'm actually going to just glue that little piece of wire down in there. It'll hold right in there. I don't think that this one needs a bow, but you certainly can add one if you'd like to. Again, using the tools at hand helps you from burning yourself. Okay, I'm going to do it again. My hand to my elbow. Pinching on the end, adding a little piece of wire around. I'm going to take my glue gun. Actually, I'm going to dip this in. Be even better. Stick it in there. And I'm just going to twist it. Gonna do the same again. So once I've added my 3 pieces of ribbon, I examine it, love it, and it's ready to hang on your front door. So thanks for joining us today. I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery.